So we're gonna do a combination of down to bone with needle, my liquid contour technique for a cheek augmentation. So we're gonna come, I still do the same drawings. I come down from that lateral brow. I know for her, I don't wanna put any filler in this area. That's 90% of my patients because that's gonna make this deficit look more pronounced. So we're gonna say this is gonna be our starting area. I want you guys to visually see, this is great, you can visually see where her cheekbone really should be. We have her orbital rim right here. We don't wanna go into. We have our malar mound, which I just don't like to go into. And then we have our inner canthus right here where we come down, and that's the ligament. We call this like the hammock effect. We come straight down from that in the inner canthus, and this where X marks the spot right here is where our superficial fat pad is. Where do we lose a lot of our volume is this right here. I didn't say it. But if you can't see this, she just gave us a roadmap very easily with her natural anatomy. But if you're like, I don't know where to start, I don't know where this cheek is, come out from there to the helix, and then you can also do the tragus to the alar. So helix, tragus, and just, you're gonna see that's gonna all connect with that inner canthus. X marks the spot again. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the very simple 101 of cheek filler. So you're gonna go in between. You're gonna go right here. You're gonna feel her superior and inferior part of her bone. You wanna feel her bone because that's what we're trying to augment. We're not trying to take this landmarks from a textbook and then it not work with her. So we're gonna go in the middle of here. We're gonna do about 3 injection points before we get to that X marks the spot, and then that's gonna be our 4th. This is all down to bone. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little bit of a fan. Actually, we're gonna see how much it rises, but I suspect I'm gonna have to do a little bit of a fan from here to here to here, which I call the claw. And that's a very technical term, don't laugh. But what's that restoring? The superficial, which you guys know I'm pretty passionate about that superficial fat pad. So you guys can see it in action, and then you guys will do the other side. So.